all you NEET UG warriors. Imagine preparing for one of the biggest exams of your life and then hearing that you have to reappear for that exam just because of that one paper leak. It feels unfair, right? Exhausting and frustrating. I know your condition. But this second chance can either break your confidence or it can be one of the best second chance of your life that will change everything. To all the NEET UG students who are reappearing on 21st June, I know you are mentally tired right now. You have studied for years. Some might have already faced sleepless nights, anxiety, and even self-doubts that one more exam, one more time, all of this. You might feel, how do I restart? What if I forget everything and what if my rank drops? But remember one, the students who might succeed will not necessarily be the ones who are studying for 16 hours a day. But the winners will definitely be the students who stay calm, focused and strategic in these last 25 days phase. Do not consider this as starting from zero. No, you're not beginning it again. You already have completed the syllabus once. Your brain already knows the concepts. Now your job is only revisions, smart practices and avoiding panic. Now these last 25 days are not for perfection. Rather, these are for maximizing your marks from all the high yield topics that are repeatedly asked. Because NEET is not won by studying everything equally. Rather, studying right things which are repeatedly asked and studying them repeatedly. Now we have 25 days and we can make a proper breakdown plan for all these 25 days. In first 10 days, focus on all the high yield repeated topics from those subjects. Especially focus more on biology because half of your marks are from biology. Now let's make a proper breakdown of our 24 hours for these 25 days. If we are having 24 hours day, keep 12 hours only for studies. I'm not including any breaks, anything in these 12 hours. 12 hours should be core studying. 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours. 4 hours for biology. You have to read biology line to line from NCERT. NCERT is your Bible for NEET UG and you have to be perfect with it. Now in those 4 hours, give 2 hours for reading line to line, 1 hour for solving MCQs and 1 hour for analyzing what type of MCQs are repeated. Read NCERT actively, revise diagrams because in NEET most of the questions are from direct wordings of NCERT. Now the next 4 hours, if we give for chemistry, divide it into physical, organic, inorganic. Analyze which one is the toughest for you and pick up that part in the first hour. In first hour, all you have to do is read that topic or chapter from the textbook, look at the previous year questions that are being asked from that chapter, solve those questions and again read the NCERT. This way you will make sure that you are revising it twice in one reading itself. Same thing do for organic as well as inorganic chemistry. And this will make chemistry much more easier and solving MCQs while you're reading the NCERT will make sure that you are building up the concept stronger and making your photographic memory even more stronger. Now let's come to the last 4 hours of physics. Physics में ये जो topics है, these topics gets repeated every year in NEET. Make sure in these last 25 days you are going to master all these topics. Don't waste your time on low yield topics because right now we have 25 days and we have to get maximum marks from what we can do. Same strategy, read your NCERT, solve PYQs and make sure that you think what other questions could be made from these topics. This way, you will make sure that you are revising biology, chemistry and physics in one day, every day. This will happen for first 10 days when you are completing all these subjects. Now, let's plan for day 11 to day 18. Now, these 8 days, you will shift from learning to applying what you have learned. How are you going to apply? By giving mock tests. Bring all the PYQs of last 10 years, solve them. How will you solve them? By appearing for mock tests. What should be the frequency of mock tests? In 8 days, every alternative day. So 4 mock tests in 8 days. And remember, these mock tests are not to prove how smart you are, rather to improve the areas where you are weak. So work up on your weak areas. See in which areas you are getting less marks frequently. Go read that in NCERT, solve MCQs on those topics. Now while you give mock test, you will observe that there are some areas where you are making silly mistakes, where you are getting confused. Now how do we remember these facts? Make one notebook, just write about that concept. Don't write the whole thing, just write that topic. Okay, कि मैं यहाँ बहुत बार confuse हो रही हूँ. And when your mock test is done, when your analysis is done, open your textbook, read that concept. See all the previous year questions that are asked from that concept. This way you'll make sure that you are not going to make a mistake again and that concept will get fit in your mind in a much better way. And these silly mistake high yield areas, make sure that you're revising them every day so that on the exam day you don't make mistake again. And now we come to the Aakhri Padav, last 7 days, day 19 to day 25. In these days, no new notebook, no random YouTube marathon. No comparing your marks with others, nothing. Just you and what you have done. Now, last 7 days, only and only NCERT revisions, PYQ revisions, mock analysis, and formula revisions. Repeat it every day. Now, the most important thing, the rehearsal of your main exam day. आज से ही fix your sleeping timings. Minimum 8 hours of sleep because you need to function well. एग्जाम की जो 3 घंटे है उन 3 घंटों में रोज मैक्सिमम फोकस्ड रहने की कोशिश करना. कोशिश नहीं, यू हैव टू डू इट फ्रॉम टुडे इटसेल्फ, बिकॉज योर बॉडी विल गेट इनटू दैट हैबिट कि इन 3 घंटों में जो एग्जाम के 3 घंटे हैं वहां पे मेरे ब्रेन को एकदम एक्टिवेट रह के सब कुछ सॉल्व करना है. पढ़ाई प्लस ये फंडा एंड योर नीट यूजी इज टेकन केयर ऑफ. एंड वन मोर थिंग्स माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज स्टॉप पनिशिंग योरसेल्फ इमोशनली फॉर द थिंग दैट इज नॉट योर फॉल्ट. पेपर लीक कंट्रोवर्सी ने अनसर्टेनिटी क्रिएट कर दी है, बट टेक दिस एज योर गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्रूव योर सेल्फ अगेन. And this uncertainty is not only for you, this is for everyone. But your dream of becoming a doctor is still alive, so work for it. This one exam is not going to define your intelligence, and this one delay is not going to destroy your future. Rather, हम हमारे वक्त सोचते थे यार काश 1-2 महीने के बाद वापस नीट यूजी हो जाती है, ये जो गलतियां हुई है ना ये सुधार लेते. ये चांस आपको मिला है, so take it positively and work hard towards it. It is your chance to prove yourself again. Some of the best doctors that you know, वो आपको बताएगी कि उन्होंने कितनी हार्डशिप्स फेस करी है. आप सब बच्चों ने तो नीट यूजी से ही हार्डशिप की शुरुआत कर दी. दिस इज समथिंग रेवोल्यूशनरी हैपनिंग कि नीट यूजी वापस हो रही है. सो ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस, थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू फॉल राइट इन प्लेस. जिन बच्चों के अच्छे रैंक आ रहे थे उनके लिए भी आई नो इट इज वेरी हार्ट ब्रेकिंग कि हमने इतनी पढ़ाई की, हमारा इतना अच्छा रैंक आ रहा था एंड वापस अब कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं अब आएगा या नहीं. ये पता नहीं आएगा या नहीं दिमाग में रखो ही मत. एक बार आपने अच्छा रैंक लाया तो वापस भी आप अच्छा रैंक ला पाओगे. फेलियर्स, रिपीट्स, ड्रॉप्स, एंजाइटी, बर्नआउट होता रहता है. व्हाट मैटर्स इज हाउ यू कंटिन्यू, हाउ यू कीप योर सेल्फ. सो स्टे काम, स्टे फोकस्ड एंड रिवाइज प्रॉपरली. So for now these last 25 days, reduce the social media noise, disappear from negativity, trust your preparation and fight this one last battle for yourself. Because June 21 is not just an re-exam. It is an opportunity for you to prove that even after disappointment, you had that courage to stand up again. And this courage itself will take you far beyond NEET. Bachcho, just stay focused for more 25 days. Your white coat is more closer than you think. Bye bye and see you on the next side super soon. If you find this video to be helpful and useful, please like, share and subscribe because making such videos takes a lot of time, efforts and energy. If you make this effort of liking, it gives me an extra motivation of making more such educational videos. Also press the bell icon to never miss an update of my educational videos which are upcoming on every Sunday. Thank you.